Hey guys, today we're going to be making pork with apples and onions in the crock pot. It's really yummy and easy. Just going to slice up a variety of apples. I have some Honeycrisp and Granny Smith apples. You can cover those with any kind of citrus. It could be lemon or orange. I've got orange, so that's what I used. I'm going to slice up a couple of the sweet yellow onions. I use the mandolin. You can use a knife to slice yours. I just like using my mandolin because it makes pretty even slices. But just be really careful if you do. It will cut your finger easily. I'm going to take some pork chops, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to layer the bottom of the crock pot with the sliced onions. Make a pretty even layer. And then the apples just right on top. Season those with a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. Put those pork chops just right on top of those apples. This is a really nice fall dish. It's so yummy. And then I just put the rest of the juice of the orange just right on top of the pork chops. A little bit more sea salt. It's not as strong as regular salt, so you can use a little more. Some black pepper on top of that. A little bit of soy sauce. It's the low sodium soy. And onions go right on top of that. And then just going to pile on the rest of those apples right on top of the onions. I like to drizzle one little splash of balsamic vinegar right on top of the apples to give it a really nice flavor. And then going to lid that and cook it on low all day, or you can cook it on high for a couple of hours. And make some mashed potatoes because it makes a really nice kind of a gravy. And ooh, I had to get video fast because my family ate it up. It was so good. So like and subscribe if you'd like more recipes. Thanks for watching.